Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned till the end for a POV drive, and please visit our channel for more videos. We are trying to build up the channel, so please let us know in the comments what we can do better, and what vehicles you may want to see. 2016 BMW 550i, xDrive Sedan Finished in Alpine White, with Mocha Nappa Leather Interior. This is an extremely clean, very well equipped, and rare 550i, as it features the very desirable and low production Mocha Nappa Leather Interior. Original MSRP on this 550i was $79,645. Options on this 550i from the manufacturer were: cold weather package, includes heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, retractable headlight washers. Driver Assistance Plus includes active blind spot detection, ACC Stop and Go Plus Active Drive Assist, side and top view cameras. Executive package includes soft close automatic doors, leather dashboard, ceramic controls, head-up display. M Sport package includes 19-inch alloy double-spoke wheels, M steering wheel, Aerodynamic kit, Shadowline exterior trim, anthracite headliner, remove increased top speed, automatic start/stop function, sport automatic transmission, rear view camera, alarm system, power tailgate, universal garage door opener, comfort access keyless entry, anthracite wood trim, ambience lighting, DDC with ECO Pro, moonroof, auto-dimming mirrors, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, multi-contour seats, split fold-down rear seats, lumbar support, LED fog lights, emergency trunk release, park distance control, automatic climate control, advanced RTTI, remote services, enhanced USB and Bluetooth, navigation system, satellite radio, subscription needed, Harman Kardon surround sound. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe.